Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2002 code? This code indicates that your vehicle's diesel particulate filter, also known as the DPF, is not filtering soot particles from the exhaust efficiently. Ignoring this problem can lead to heavy soot buildup, reduced engine power, poor fuel economy, and even limp mode in diesel vehicles. P2002 stands for Diesel Particulate Filter Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the DPF on Bank 1 is not trapping and burning soot particles effectively. The DPF is an essential emission component that reduces harmful particulate emissions from diesel engines. This issue is especially common in diesel vehicles that are driven mostly in city traffic or short trips where proper regeneration does not occur. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine performance, increased fuel consumption, excessive exhaust smoke, and possible limp mode activation. In some cases, a DPF warning light may also appear on the dashboard. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The diesel particulate filter is located in the exhaust system underneath the vehicle, usually after the catalytic converter and before the muffler as a large metal cylindrical unit. The differential pressure sensor is connected to the DPF with two pressure pipes that measure soot load inside the filter. The exhaust temperature sensors are installed before and after the DPF to monitor regeneration temperature and filter efficiency. These sensors are mounted along the exhaust pipe and connected to the ECU through a wiring harness under the vehicle. For quick diagnosis, begin by scanning live data using an OBD2 scanner and check DPF soot load, differential pressure readings, and exhaust temperature values. Then inspect the pressure sensor hoses for blockage, cracks, or disconnection because incorrect pressure readings can trigger the P2002 code. After that, check for incomplete DPF regeneration due to frequent short drives. If the DPF is heavily clogged with soot, a forced regeneration using a diagnostic tool may be required. In severe cases, professional DPF cleaning or replacement may be necessary. Finally, repair any faulty sensors or blocked pipes, clear the code, and perform a proper drive cycle to confirm the repair. Remember, the most common causes of P2002 are a clogged DPF, faulty differential pressure sensor, blocked pressure pipes, or incomplete regeneration cycles. Fixing this issue on time will restore engine performance, fuel efficiency, and proper emission control.